Hi everyone, Dallin. It's Foodie Friday, and today we'll be cooking okra soup. Okay, so come with me. I'll show you the ingredients, show you how I cook okra soup. I have two ways, but I'll be showing you one of them today. So usually I'll boil the meat. Today I've got 500 grams of meat. I've got 600 grams of okra, 300 grams of spinach, and spring onions, 2 sticks, 1 pepper, and some salt and some palm oil. So obviously it will be salt to taste, and the palm oil is also to taste as you want it. How much you want to put in, it's okay. So I'll be boiling the meat with some pepper and with some salt for 20 minutes. And when that's ready, I would put the okra and the spring onions and stir. So if you notice, I'm stirring vigorously because I want the okra to be a bit drawy. So after stirring, put the spinach and stir as well. And altogether, I used half a cup of water when I was boiling the meat. And in this soup, I've put 1.5 cups of water. So altogether 2 cups of water. And the okra, once the okra and spinach is in, it doesn't really stay long before you bring it down. So it'll be about between 5 to 8 minutes really. About 8 minutes I think this one was. Yeah, that's it. Cooking okra, fast, simple. For this food, preparation time was about 45 minutes and actual cooking time was sort of like 10 minutes or less. And you can eat it with gari, semovita, niji that's pounded yam. Yeah, hope you enjoy this. Which other way do you cook your okra? Would you like to comment below and let me know? And what other food would you like me to cook? Thank you.